Okay, so now we're going to start cutting apart our triangles. As you can see, I've got them all laid out here. Here's my ruler. Let's see if I can get this lined up with just one hand. Okay. Let's take my cutter, get nice and straight on that line. Here we go. I have to go twice because I got a dull blade on here. All right, let me get that. Okay. Now we're going to rotate this, and there's another straight line we're going to cut on. Yeah, you probably want to have a nice sharp blade in here when you're doing this. Okay. Rotate it around, get this straight line over here. Nice and straight. And as you can see, we still have some straight lines that need cutting. We're going to put our ruler on this nice and straight line. Now, if you get really good at this, you can line up several blocks at a time. Like that. See how that straight line down the center is good and straight? Put our ruler on both of them at the same time and just make sure they both line up really well. Okay, and rotate this, rotate this. See how cute that lines up real. That straight line, put that straight line together. These are some pretty critical cuts, so you want to take your time with it. Nice and straight. Get my ruler lined up. Okay. Now I've actually cut 2 blocks, and now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now another trick you can do is, let's move these out of the way. Line up these nice and straight. And this cut is not quite as critical because it's the space in between your seams. Your seams have already established that 1/4 inch. So even if you don't quite get this straight, it's not that critical. Okay, we got 4 lined up. Let's put our ruler right down the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's cut that one again. Like I said, you usually don't have to run it twice. I got a dull blade in there. Now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one block. You're going to tear off the paper. It's easy enough to just fold the paper back like that. Not so easy with just one hand. Okay, we're going to tear the paper off. Of course, when you're sewing this, you want to set your sewing machine at a probably stitch length of around 1.6. Makes it easier to tear that paper without pulling out the threads. Okay, so now I've teared off the paper. Open it out. And there is a perfect half square triangle made into a block. You will get 8 of these squares from each of the paper blocks. Now what I like to do is once I've got that paper torn off and my square is nice and flat, I iron this down, press it nice and flat, and then we're going to cut those little dog ears right off. And you'll end up with some pretty decent looking. Let me get my scissors. I use scissors for this part of it. You end up with some pretty decent looking 2.5 inch squares. There you go. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.